back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you a few little healthy breakfast recipes that I've been using. I'm trying my best to continue to stay healthy, to go for exercise and to basically just keep my body and my mind as healthy as possible. So that includes starting the day with something really nice, really tasty and super healthy. I must admit I don't eat like this every single day. Many days I'll just have like a breakfast smoothie or cereal, but I thought for this video I would take you through some of my best recipes for breakfast. That includes pancakes, full English even, a healthy take on a full English. So yeah, let's get into the video. I'll switch over to voiceover mode and see you at the end.
So these are the ingredients that I used to make this smoothie bowl. I just blended them all up in a high-speed blender and got it nice and smooth. So here I am chopping up some bananas. I'm adding some different types of nuts and seeds, and then you could also throw in some blueberries as well if you like, lots of different types of nuts, anything you like really, and it just makes a really nice healthy light breakfast. This is my avocado on toast recipe. So I start off by putting some bread into the toaster. I use seeded brown bread. Then I poach my egg, and this is probably the best poached egg I've ever made. I'm so happy I got it on camera. So I'm using half an avocado here for one slice of bread. I've sliced it up and I'm now going to lay it onto the toast. The poached egg goes on top of the avocado, and then I season it with some black pepper, some garlic powder and some chili flakes. And then finally I'm going to use this bag of seed mix that I've got from Aldi here in the UK, and I'm going to just spread it all over the egg and plate and top with sriracha to finish. Okay guys, here we have the oat pancake recipe. You're going to need some rolled oats, some milk, a banana, an egg, some spices, mixed spice, maybe some cinnamon, maybe some nutmeg and some vanilla extract, and you're going to blend it all up. It's so quick, you just add all the ingredients into this one blender and blitz it up and it's done. And I really loved this recipe. It tasted so good, highly recommend. Here I am filming myself adding in the chocolate chips for TikTok. Make sure you follow me if you don't already. I also wanted to add in this bonus recipe, which is where you substitute the banana and chocolate chips for blueberries, and this makes really good blueberry oat pancakes. This next breakfast is an omelette using mushroom and onions. You're going to start off by chopping those up and frying them up in your pan. Next, you're going to crack 2 eggs into a bowl, and if you want to be super healthy, you can take out the yolks, whisk those up, add a bit of milk, and then it's ready to go into the pan. Make sure you add a lot of seasoning, including garlic powder, pepper and salt. I also added some spinach to add a bit of greenery to my omelette, and there you have it. Okay guys, this is my favourite breakfast. I saved the best till last. These are the ingredients you're going to need, and also an egg. I forgot to do a video of that. You're going to start off by putting the sausages onto an oven-proof tray and popping that in the oven, and they will be done by the time they come out. The sausages I actually used were from Aldi, and they're actually 49 calories each, which is amazing. Now I'm frying the mushroom and tomatoes in some healthy spray oil. I'm going to get that nice and soft and then add some garlic powder. Here I'm just assembling the avocado toast exactly how I did it earlier on. Then I'm going to add the mushrooms and tomatoes. the beans that I heated up in the microwave, the sausages that have just come out of the oven, and that's it. My full English vegetarian breakfast. It's so tasty, you have to try it.
So there you have it, those are my favourite healthy breakfast recipes. I today had the healthy full English breakfast and it has filled me up, it tasted incredible, so I'd highly recommend checking that one out, especially for like a lazy Sunday brunch. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos. Let me know if you're enjoying these cooking videos and I'll make some more. I can't believe it, I just never normally cook. Like, this is just like, I'm discovering something about myself and I love it. So yes, I'll see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!